Greetings of the day. Today I am going to solve some numericals of chapter 11, Force and Pressure. First numerical is, in a cart each of the two horses pull with the force of 1000 Newton. Find the resultant force, give reason. Now we will solve it. The two horses pull the cart with a force of 1000 Newton. Each horse applies same force, that is 1000 Newton. It means one force has a magnitude F1 is 1000 Newton. Other force has a magnitude F2 is 1000 Newton. In this numerical, we will find resultant force. We already know what is resultant force. Resultant force is a single force that would produce the same effect on an object as two or more forces that are applied to the object. As the force is applied by two horses in the same direction, and when the force is applied in same direction, we add both the forces in order to find the resultant force. The formula is resultant force is equal to F1 plus F2, that is 1000 Newton plus 1000 Newton is equal to 2000 Newton. Second numerical is, in a game of tug of war, three girls of team A pull the rope with the forces of 80 Newton, 100 Newton and 120 Newton. In the team B, three girls pull the rope with the forces of 85 Newton, 105 Newton and 125 Newton. What is the resultant force? Which team is the winner? Let us solve it. In the game of tug of war, both the teams pulling each other. We will find out resultant force. Force exerted by team A is 80 Newton plus 100 Newton plus 120 Newton is equal to 300 Newton. Force exerted by team B is 85 Newton plus 105 Newton plus 125 Newton is equal to 350 Newton. When two unequal forces act in opposite directions on an object, the resultant force is found to be the difference between the two forces. Therefore, resultant force is force exerted by team B minus force exerted by team A, that is 350 Newton minus 300 Newton is equal to 15 Newton. Team B is the winner because the team B pulls harder, that is applies a large force, finally wins the game.